What are you doing? Huh? Are you running around like a crazy man? Are you running around like a crazy man? Come on. Show us how well you entertain yourself.
This is part 2 because in the first video it was getting too long with him wrestling with the dog. Now he's wrestling with Acacia, which is his grandma. There's Bella.
Narnia. Come on. Get it. Get her. Get her. Come on. Get her.
Where are you going? Where are you going, crazy?
Huh? Where are you going?
Earlier you were running in circles in this one spot.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come here.
Hey. Hey. Say hi to the camera. Are you gonna look at me? Are you gonna look at me? Come on. Hey. Come on. What are you doing? You wanna get Bella? Bella wants to play with you. What? Where's your little sideways run, huh? Show us your little sideways run. Go crazy. Go crazy. Or just sit there. Just like kids, never want to perform. Never want to perform when you want them to. Get Grandma. Oh, did you sneak up on her?